WWDC 2024 is here. Today, I'm diving into the incredible world of Apple Intelligence and the latest AI features that are about to change the way we use our Apple devices. Apple has taken a unique approach, focusing on integrating AI into its apps to make our daily lives easier and more productive. So let's jump right in and see what's new.
Okay. Oh, how to do that? With Apple Intelligence. It's AI that gets you on your Apple products. iPhone, iPad, Mac, with built-in privacy. And you can make your own emoji. Yeah, make your own emoji. Make your new profile pic with Image Playground.
First things first, Apple is making these new AI capabilities opt-in, so you have full control over which features you want to use. Plus, these features will be used in beta to start with, giving you the chance to test them out and provide feedback. But here's the catch, you'll need an iPhone 15 Pro or one of the latest models, or an iPad or Mac with at least an M1 chip to enjoy these AI features.
With Apple Intelligence, powerful intelligence goes hand in hand with powerful privacy. Let me tell you more about its architecture and how it's built with privacy at the core. We have integrated it deep into your iPhone, iPad, and Mac, and throughout your apps.
You can make a movie. Your life plus a description plus your camera roll equals sweet memories. Wait, Siri, when's Mom's flight landing? Oh.
Apple's AI features will be powered by a combination of their own technology and tools from third parties like OpenAI. Depending on the task, the processing will either happen on your device or in the cloud data storage. Apple has always prioritized user privacy, and this time is no different. They've implemented security features to ensure your data is safe, whether processed on device or in the cloud, and they seem to be committed still to transparency and providing assurance that your data isn't being sold or misused. Ever wish your iPhone could draft responses for yourself? With the new AI reply suggestions, your iPhone can automatically create fully fleshed out responses to emails and text messages. So your productivity is going to be majorly boosted.
Writing tools are an example of the incredible power of Apple Intelligence. Say you're writing an email. You can change the tone to make it sound more friendly, professional, or concise. Another way writing tools can help you is with Proofread. With Proofread, you can nail the grammar, word choice, and sentence structure.
Siri is getting a major upgrade too. With their new language models, Siri will offer precise control over individual apps, features, and actions. You could ask Siri, for example, to delete your email, edit a photo, or summarize a news article. And in a future update, you'll be able to string multiple commands of these together, and the level of control will also expand to third parties later this year.
Siri takes a huge step forward and is now supercharged by Apple Intelligence. And when you talk to Siri, you'll notice this elegant glowing light around the edge of your screen that shows Apple Intelligence working for you. Apple Intelligence can help you every day. It's super easy to use and gives you peace of mind.
Nod your head yes, or gently shake your head no to interact.
Call from Gam Gam. Answer it? Okay.
For our developer community, Xcode is getting a significant AI boost. Similar to GitHub Copilot, this feature will help complete code automatically. Whilst it's being used internally, it's expected to be fully available to third-party developers later this year as well. Your Mail app is also in for an upgrade. It will now feature automatic categorization of incoming messages. Similar to what you see in Gmail, organizing your inbox will never be easier.
And it is deeply integrated into our platforms and throughout the apps you rely on to communicate, work, and express yourself. For example, your iPhone can prioritize your notifications to minimize unnecessary distractions while ensuring you don't miss something important. Apple Intelligence also powers brand new writing tools that you can access system-wide to feel more confident in your writing.
One feature that's bound to be a hit, especially with our Gen Z folk out there, is AI-created emojis. As you type, AI will generate custom emoji characters, representing phrases or words, offering many more options than the standard emoji library.
Let's jump in with Genmoji. You want a T-Rex on a surfboard? You've got a T-Rex on a surfboard. Simply type a description of the emoji you want. How about a smiley face with cucumber eyes? Or something random like a squirrel DJ? And because Apple Intelligence knows who's in your photo library, you can turn your friend V into an astronaut.
I'm so excited to show you the new Math Notes experience. I get to it by just tapping the new calculator button right here. And
We have an awesome new look for app icons when we go into dark mode. Let's turn it on. Isn't that cool? Now, in addition to this new dark look, there are even more new ways to adjust how they look.
And it's done. Apple Intelligence also understands who people are in your photo library, so you can create a personalized image of them for their birthday. Or your mom is a superhero.
Now, the new cleanup tool will identify distracting objects in the background so you can make them disappear without accidentally changing your subject.
We want you to be able to use...
So that's a wrap of the top Apple Intelligence reveals at WWDC. With these new AI features, Apple was set to make our devices smarter, more intuitive, and more helpful in our everyday lives, and I definitely can't wait to try these out.
Coming to iPad calculator. Beep, boop, 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 boop. And you can just handwrite a math problem. Math Notes solves it for you. Or write something not even you can read. An iPad will clean it right up.
Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates and insights on the latest in tech. Hit that like button if you're excited about these new AI features, and drop a comment below to let us know which feature you're most looking forward to. Until next time, peace.
À frente do tempo me vejo num cyberpunk. A cada passo dado me sinto mais distante daquele moleque que tinha um sorriso contagiante.